Hey loves, so in today's video we're gonna be doing some fridge, pantry, restock and organize, and we're also gonna do a little cleaning here and there, and we're also gonna put away all of my grocery haul from Sprouts. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. And if you guys enjoy this type of content, don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe and join the family. Okay guys, so as you can see here, my grocery list got shortened and I changed it because while I was doing my grocery shopping, I was thinking that we need to go to Costco anyways, so that is why I changed my grocery list when I got there. So all the other things that I wrote from the beginning, I will be getting them tomorrow at Costco, so that's why it's changed. Anyways, here's my little helper here. She's so cute. And after this, you guys, I will share with you how much everything, and it's $44.91. And before we go home, I went to 7 Leaves and got some tea, some Thai tea with boba.
Hold my hand, don't let go.
Anyways, you guys, I just want to share with you guys a little reminder from Romans 3:23 to 24. It says, "For all have sinned and fall short of the glory of God, and all are justified freely by His grace through the redemption that came by Christ Jesus." I felt like I've been falling short this past weeks, and this is just a good reminder for us that we do need Jesus Christ and we can always change our life through Him. So this is just a little reminder for all of us who are suffering from just falling into sin, and I just want to encourage you to keep getting back up and come back to God when you fall. What now? Okay guys, so now I will be cleaning out the fridge and also organizing it. Like I said from the beginning, I just got a little things from Sprouts because I decided to just go to Costco the next day. So here I will be cleaning the fridge and the pantry out so that tomorrow when I put away all the grocery from Costco, it will be a lot easier for me and organized already. So that's what I'm gonna be doing on here, guys.
thinking about washing my hands, but...
There's a restroom.
Huh? Wawa?
So what do you feel like eating?
So you just have to cook at home, do a little cookout here?
What? Why?
Soup.
That's the first?
Tomorrow's PE, okay, Mom?
I know.
Mom, it's tomorrow's PE.
I know, baby.
These ones mix the same.
What?
Yeah, I can read the signs.